Hi all, today I am going to discuss one important interview question that how to read data from properties file in Selenium. So before proceeding to that, I would like to show you which Java version I am going to use. And for this, I'm just checking here, Java hyphen version. So as you can see, I am going to use Java version 21.4.2. Okay. So for our question, how to read data from properties file in Selenium, so how we can achieve this, let's create first one class. So let's take name of this class, read data from properties, property file. Okay. So I am not selecting public static void main here because I am using test ng framework. So it's created. Let's create one method, public void, read data from property file demo. Okay. So I am marking this method as testng method. When we hover it, we can import test from testng. Okay. So before proceeding to our coding, I would like to first create one property file. So how we can create property file? For that we need to right click on this, and we can go to new, then file. So here we can give name like properties, properties. So there should not be any spelling mistake. So it should be properties. Just click on finish. So this is the properties file we have created. Now let's fill some data here, like first name, suppose John, last name, let's check Smith, and browser is equal to Chrome, URL. Let's for this question, I'm just taking the Google URL for our today's question, like this, and we can save it. So this file is saved. Now let's move to our class. Okay. So first of all, what we need to do? First of all, we need to uh, write like this string path, and we can get the path to get property, and within this system dot, not like this, user dot dir, and through this system dot get property and user dot dir we will be getting the path till the project folder. Now, let's right click on this and go to properties and take the path from source to the file. So like this, we can get the complete path. Okay. Now we need to create object of the file class. So new file, and we can pass here the path of the properties file. Okay. When we hover this, we can import file from java.io. Now, what we need to do, we need to create object of the file input stream class. File input stream, FIS, new file input stream. Okay, just over this and we can import the file input stream from java.io. Okay. And what it is asking? It is asking object of the file. So we can pass like. So what it is asking? It is asking to surround with try catch block. Okay, now after this, we need to create object of the properties class. PROPERTIES is equal to new PROPERTIES. So when we hover this, you can download properties from java.util class. And now we need to load this file for reading. So prop dot load and input stream object we need to pass here. Okay, now what it is asking? It is asking to add throws declaration, add catch class surrounding. So best way is add exception to the existing catch class. Okay, so now file is loaded. Okay, now I am going to write one code which will take the URL from the properties file and will open the Google browser, Google URL into the Chrome browser. So for that, what we need to do? Okay, let's create here WebDriver. Okay. So we can import WebDriver from Selenium. Okay, so WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, we can remove this and we can import Chrome driver from Selenium. Okay, now driver dot manage. So we need to maximize the browser. Now what we need to do? We need to open the URL. Okay. For this we will be using properties file to read the URL. Okay. So I am just taking this and we can go here and prop dot get property. So here we can path the within inverted comma we need to pass the URL from properties file. So this is the way we can open the we can open the Google website, and we are reading the URL from properties file. So let's go to the Google website. So when it will open, so how we will come to how we will verify this. So for that, let's inspect this. And what is the title layer? So inside head, we can go this. Title is Google. So we will verify this. So we can write code like this. Driver dot get driver dot get title. So what this will return? This will return the actual title. So string actual title. Okay. So and what is the expected title? The expected title we can store into expected title object. Now here we will be using assert equals, and here we need to pass the actual title first and the expected title later. So this is the actual title, this is the expected title, and one more thing, we can also pass the message here, actual title, expected title, and if suppose this fails, so we can pass the title, verify title of the page, web page. Like this we can write the message. Okay, so that's it. Uh, that's it. So what we can do now, we can save it. We can control shift and F, format it, save it, then we can run it. So what we are doing, we are creating first, we are storing properties file path into string object path, and we are creating file class object and passing the path of the file. Then file we are creating object of the file input stream class, and we are passing the file object. Then we are creating object of the properties class, and then we are loading it and passing the file input stream class object. Then here we are going to open the launching the URL, maximize the URL, and we are going to open the Google website. Then we are going to verify the title of the Google website. So I think our code is completed. Let's run it and check it is working as expected or not. So right click, run as test engine. So there is some problem here, file not found. Okay. Okay, there is one mistake. We need to delete it first. Then it will work as expected. Okay. So now what we can do, we can save it and we can run it. Now it's launching the browser, maximizing the window, and our test case is pass. So let's check one negative scenario. If suppose I'm giving some other value here and saving it, so it is printing this message or not. So let's rerun it. Run as. Okay. So let's see. It is failed. And what is the message here? You can observe it. Verified title of the web page. Expected title is this and found this. Okay. And again we can go here and we can correct it and save it. Then we can rerun it and let's see now behaving. It's running as expected or not. It is giving the result as expected or not. Okay. So now it is passed. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.